Project 20. Stepper motor control via IR remote. Finally, to combine the last two projects, we can control the stepper motor with the IR control. We detect left or right key pressed on the control, and then Arduino sends the command to UNL driver, which rotates the stepper motor to a full 360-degree circle to its direction. Here is the code. Here is the circuit. As you can see, when I press the right arrow, the stepper rotates 360 degrees clockwise. When I press the left arrow, the stepper rotates 360 degrees counterclockwise.